This tutorial introduces the string data type. It stores series of characters. Okay, previously int I equal to 10, then character C equal to A. We have two variables. We use the block diagram, and then unlikely string data types. It works like a reference to actual value called welcome to Java. So if I draw the block diagram, it make a lot clear. So this block diagram represents memory location, and then actual value 10 and character value A. Store number 10. Variable C store character A. So we know that variable I and C refers to actual primitive data type. String data type has a block diagram, or we have one block called as a message. Actual data is stored into another block on the string data type. That's why we call it as a message as a referenced data type. Eventually we call it as a object reference variable. For now, I will just keep it as a reference type. So message refers to value stored into string class type. So let me repeat here again. Int I and char C is a primitive data types. String message is reference type, or we can call it as an object reference variable. Previous one we can say integer variable or character variable. So as you can see, the string start with a capital S. That's the class type. It's not primitive data type, it's a class type. Each class start with a capital character, so that's why string is capitalized with S. It's a class type. Obviously, int I is an integer type. And the char C is the character data type. Okay. Let's create a new project. I will use a default main class. String type to store string of characters or string of series of characters. Okay, so here class type called string, capital, start with the capital S. Then you have to use a double quotation. So welcome to Java, opening and ending double quotation. Here message we code it as a reference type. Okay, and you can print to a standard output device. Just refers to a reference type called message. Clean and build. Then run your project. So welcome to Java. Okay, it is sometimes necessary to put two strings together, concatenate, so that we can print it a longer message. For example, welcome with the space to plus and Java. So you can concate multiple strings with the plus symbol. So we will add three messages together. Welcome to Java. It looks like a single string message. You can also concate string message with the numeric value. For example, here string chapter 10. You can say chapter 10 plus. So the chapter 10 becomes chapter 10 with the space. Sorry, let me change. Okay. Also, you can concate string value with character value. Of course, you can concate with double value, but that's a part of the numeric data type. So let me demonstrate here with character value. Character C. Okay, supplement with one space, and then I can use a character value with single quotation. So supplementC becomes supplement with one space, and then C as a single string value. Again, clean and build. Okay, look at the output. Welcome to Java, and Chapter 10 and supplementC. Okay, that's all. Thank you.